With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is two insulated charged conducting spheres of radii 20 cm and 15 cm respectively and having an equal charge of 10 coulomb are connected by a copper wire and then they are separated. Then which of the following options is correct? So here we have been given there are two spheres, one of radius, let's say 20 centimeter, and another sphere of radius given here as 15 centimeter. Both have equal charge of 10 coulomb each. Now when they are connected by, let's say, copper wire and then separated, hence we can say they will have common potential given out here as Vc equal to, we can say here, Q net divided by C net. So we can say here Q net will be 10 plus 10, and we can say here C net here will be equivalent capacitance, which will be here in case of first sphere this is 4 pi epsilon naught into radius here is equal to 20 centimeter, which means here 0.2, and for this we have here 4 pi epsilon naught into here 15 centimeter means 0.15. So this here C1 plus C2 gives us 4 pi epsilon naught into 0.2 plus 0.15 is 0.35. So this here comes as 9 into 10 power 9 into, we can say here is, let's say 10 plus 10 comes here as 20. So divided by, in the denominator there is 0.35. So we can say here this comes out to be 180 divided by 35 into, we have here as 10 power 11 volt. Now for the first part, both spheres will have equal charges. Hence we can say after the sharing due to this connecting parts, we can say here these two spheres will have charges given as Q1 and Q2, where Q1 equal to, we can say as C1 into common potential as V. So C1 here we can see comes out here as 4 pi epsilon naught into radius here is 0.2, and common potential here we have calculated as 180 by 35 into 10 power 11, and we can say here this value of 4 pi epsilon naught here is 1 upon 9 into 10 power 9 into, this is our 1 by 5 into 180 divided by 35 into 10 power 10. So we can see here this cancels this 10 here remaining. Now we can see 9 cancels this by, let's say 20, and this here 5 cancels this by 2. So 40 by 35. 40 by 35 here can be said as 5 into 7, 5 into 4, that is 8 by 7 coulomb. So 8 by 7 coulomb means we can say here both spheres will not have equal charges. First sphere will have something like 1 point something, and the remaining 18 point something charge will be on the second sphere. Next, surface charge density on the 20 centimeter sphere will be greater than on the 15 centimeter sphere. Now if we calculate the surface charge density, that is sigma, which will be equal to, we can say here charge, let's say divided by area, which is 4 pi into r square. Now since potential will be same, and we know here potential is given as kq divided by r. So here using this formula, that is kq by r, so we can say here the value of, let's say, q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into r. So q by 4 pi can be written as v into epsilon naught into r. So this is v into epsilon naught into r divided by, in the denominator we have here as r square. So we can say this comes as v epsilon naught divided by r. Now here we can see v is same, epsilon naught is same, but sigma here can be said as inversely proportional to the radius. So sigma is inversely proportional to radius. So we can say here these two, let's say sigma 1 and sigma 2, more is the radius, less will be the surface charge density. From here we can conclude that sigma 1 will be, let's say, less than sigma 2, since it has more radius. So we can say here sigma 1 will be less. So surface charge density on 20 will be less, but here it says greater, so option 2 is incorrect. Next, surface charge density on 15 centimeter will be greater than on 20 centimeter sphere. This here is correct. That is here less radius means more, let's say, surface charge density. Hence option 3 is correct. Now coming to fourth option, surface charge density on two spheres will be equal. This is also incorrect. So correct option is option number 3. Hence 3 is the correct answer. So 3 is our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.